Hello students, welcome again. This is the lecture for class 3rd, subject English. So, today in this session, I am giving you lecture on lesson 1, that is sentences. And today we will discuss the homework solution of the previous lecture. So this is the lecture 4 and it is as a homework solution of the previous lecture. I am recalling the previous lecture. Then in the previous lecture I have told you that how to make sentences, what are questions and how you frame questions, and we also compare questions and statements over there. So the homework given to you in the previous lecture was fill in the blanks with correct question words, WH family words in the sentences given below. So the first sentence in the series is dash is your school. So which is your school? Over here which will come. I hope you understand. Now B part, when will you finish your homework? When will you finish your homework? तुम अपना होमवर्क कब खत्म करोगे? Now the C part, why is the sky blue? Why is the sky blue? Sky blue क्यों है? नीला क्यों है? आसमान नीला क्यों है? Now the D part, which is your favorite cricketer? Which is your favorite cricketer? Question mark. तुम्हारा फेवरेट क्रिकेटर कौन है? पसंदीदा क्रिकेटर. ई पार्ट, व्हाट इज योर नेम? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? एफ पार्ट, हु इज सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू यू? क्वेश्चन मार्क. तुम्हारे साथ बगल में कौन बैठा है? जी पार्ट, when will you come? तुम कब आओगे? I hope all of you have done this exercise and it is very easy to do it because you have already studied about WH family words and we also recall these words. Now I am going to tell you few question words and the function which you have filled in the blank. Where it asks about place and position. Where आपको place और position के बारे में बताता है. Which asking about choice. Which आपको choice, if you have any choice, which is your notebook. Which dress you like most? Now you have any choice, so you will use which over there. Then who asking what or which, but it is related to the subject. Suppose I asked who opened the door, so the answer will be Ram opened the door. So Ram is subjects, that's why who will come over there. Now next fourth one is whom, asking what or which person, but for which it is asking the person is object there. By whom this work is done? किसके द्वारा ये काम किया गया? And what will the answer for it? So you understand that for subject we will use who and for object we will use whom. So you have to take care while making questions. I hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.